Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Informatic Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically in this video I thought let's discuss that what are the multiple projects that you can get in service IT industry. I will be talking about Accenture, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, Wipro and all. So basically when you join as a fresher, you exactly want to know that what kind of work is allotted to you, means what exactly you will be doing over there. So these are the queries that actually comes to your mind whenever you are joining as a fresher, whether you should be pro in development or there are different kind of projects in IT industry and lots of things that might be hitting in your mind. And sometimes many people might be thinking क्या मेरे से काम हो पाएगा और क्या काम मिलेगा वो मेरे इंटरेस्ट का होगा, whether I can choose my technology that I have worked on और कौन से प्रोजेक्ट वो देंगे. I will be talking regarding all this thing. I will be also telling that still if you are underconfident and want to clear all these rounds so that how you can do and yes make up the best throughout your journey. So let's start this video. Before starting the video, I like to tell you that yes, do subscribe my channel. I am just an IT guy just like you all. Yes, and I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience and lots more that you can think regarding IT and all. So चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. So as you know, first of all many congratulations as a fresher. Getting a first job is a kind of a luxury, and yes, I can feel the kind of happiness and kind of happy you are right now. But yes, a few of the things that might be hitting you कि काम क्या करना होगा and what are the projects that you will be getting in service IT industry. So previous video also I have made on like what are the multiple kind of project the service industry is having, what exactly they use and expect a candidate to do whenever they hire a fresher, and what exactly you have to do. So I will be talking in all these parts. So whenever you are hired, so base motto of any of the service IT industry is to train you. Okay, they don't expect anything, literally they don't expect you from anything from you. Like it's like they will be giving you a proper training of 3 months. In fact, for few of the candidates the trainings are like going 1 year, 2 years, and it's going and going. Okay, so it's totally depend that in which batch you are hired and how they are going to train you. There will be a kind of a technology assignment once you are placed. Like what actually happened, once you are placed in any of the service IT industry, they used to distribute all the candidates that they have taken into the multiple BUs. Like each company are having different business unit in terms of that some of the units are working in this technology, some of the units are working in SAP, some of the units are working in SFDC, some in Android mobile and lots more thing. Okay, so like you will be allotted to any of the random BUs once they select you. It may be random, it may be as per your resume, totally depends upon what are the criteria that they need, and as per that they used to distribute the candidate. It may be like you cannot get the things that you want to get. Like many of you people are having experience in React and Angular, and if you think that yes, if your company is having that kind of project, but it's not necessary that you will be getting all those projects. It will be totally a random and it will be totally their business requirement. So you don't have a choices, literally you don't have a choices in service IT industry. They even ask sometimes that what are the technology that you prefer, but yes, it's not like very sure that whatever you are putting into your choices you will be getting that thing. Okay, so just keep in mind this thing. After that, secondary, what you have to keep in mind while you are joining, that be little bit adaptive and be little bit like you have to learn the things, because it's really expected. Because as a fresher you will be deployed in any of the other random projects, and in that it's like you may not be aware of that technology, so you may have to adapt at that scenario. When you are adapting now, definitely it will be like a key factor to get you adapted to an IT industry, because IT is all about learning and growing. Whichever experience you might be having, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, everything in the market are coming new on daily basis, and yes, the requirements are changing on the daily basis. It's like that. For support projects something are different, but yes, for development the things are changing and you have to learn. Now you might be thinking ये support और development क्या बोल रहा है, what exactly is support project, what exactly is development project, and what are the different kind of project is for the fresher. So as a technical fresher you will be having multiple projects project, like one can be actually service IT industry technical, and if you're in a technical part, they work in three kind of project. One is pure implementation, that is a development project. Second is like an enhancement of old application is there where you have to add a new release. And third is like a support, enhancing application where you have to give your inputs in order to meet the current business requirement. So these are the multiple kind of project you are having. Apart from this, there are different multiple auditing. There are also, apart from this, there are multiple things like auditing, IT audit, analytics, and lots more things are there. That are the different segment, but basically the segmentation is like development, enhancement, and support for any of the project. Like right now it's the era of mobile technology, so each and every projects are in the multiple phases. Like some of the features are being developed, some of the features are in implemented phase, and some of the features need support whenever they are stuck. So like if you are getting as a fresher a development project, it might be like you might be thinking that here I am not very much confident in development. But yes, as a fresher, if you are getting that, definitely they are going to give you an they are going to spoon feed you in any service IT industry. So it will be definitely a good choice, it will be definitely a good for you as a fresher if you get a development project, because once you are into a development, now the rest two things become easy for you. Either you go for enhancement and support in future, it's not a worry, it's not a matter of concern, because you are having a hands-on experience on development. And during a fresher, they don't expect much from you, so that means they don't expect much, so you can put your inputs over here and you can ask a number of questions to the front panel anytime. Okay, but once you are experienced, now it's like getting a development will be a kind of an extra effort that you have to put. So if you get your in a 0 year of experience, if you're getting a development project, don't try to reject that. It will be definitely keep taking your career 2-3 years ahead very soon. Okay, it can even take you 5 years, 6 ahead. You don't know what exactly the market scenario will be. So development project, you will be, if you are once into development, you can be flexible to any of the project. And it's not like that support and enhancement are bad or something like that. But yes, as a fresher, it's definitely advice from my end. If you are having an opportunity, go for a development project. After that, enhancement is something like that you are adding a new feature in an existing feature that are already there in the system. Okay, support is like, so if there is anything is that is being hindered during the current processing in the business, you just need to check the debugs logs, try to find out the error where the software are stuck, and you have to find out the real root cause and give them the solution. So it's like you have to be little adaptive. You don't know that what exactly you will be getting. Apart from this, I told about IT, I did cyber security, and n number of projects are there, even database management, and n number of things are there. So that are the other things. But yes, for this, be concise, and yes, definitely you will be able to do better. Now you might be thinking सर्विस IT इंडस्ट्री में ट्रेनिंग में क्या कितने परसेंट मार्क्स लाना इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, what exact marks that you have to score, and what marks are advisable. So see, from my point of view, whenever the market is slow down, I would advise that whatever the cutoff that they are keeping in your mindset, just keep it 10% above, because you don't know, 1-2% may be gambled, and it may can cause you the problem. So it's like if they are asking for a 60%, try for a 70%. It's like my suggestion what you can follow. And after that, if you are following this, it will be definitely giving you an internal moral to put lots of effort. And yes, once you are putting enough effort, definitely that learning will be helpful for you whenever you get a project. So it's like how you tackle the things and how you make up the things. Still, like lots of things are needed while you are into a corporate, because campus to corporate is something where you need to be little what I can say, energetic, because this is a transition period. And yes, initially if you get a good project, definitely that project is going to shape your career. So initially whatever things you are getting, that is going to decide your way and path. So I hope you got lots of insight from this video. If you think this video was a little bit of informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you still want to know more regarding all this thing, what you can do, you can schedule a session with me, and yes, we can discuss regarding the things as per your convenience, because I have tried to cover all the things. But yes, each and every individual are having different requirements. So yes, if you want to connect with me, you can, what you can do, you can just put a stop, you can check out the document slot in my description and the channel bio. From there you can book a slot, and yes, we can have a discussion on this, so that you can be, it can be helpful for you, and even you can get lots of insight. Rest, I have covered all the things. If you think little more needed, you can also ask in a comment box. And yes, let's meet soon. Let's meet up with a new informative content. वीडियो अच्छा लगा लाइक करना, चैनल वीडियो पसंद आया होगा वीडियो को शेयर करना. बाय बाय.